Hey you guys, so I am doing a new wig review. So this is the Solana wig. I actually got this wig from Sam's Beauty and it was only $53, which is actually really affordable for a lace front HD synthetic wig. So as soon as I took the packaging out, I noticed that you get 3 wig combs and an adjustable wig strap in the back. That way you can adjust the size. And so the first thing I like to do is I like to evaluate the hairline, and so I'm just going to go in and do some plucking. Makeup onto my wig cap to help my wig look as natural as possible, and so I'm just gonna slip it on and then adjust myself. And then to install this wig, I'm going to be using Got To Be Freeze Spray. For me, it gives me a good hold for a couple of days. I can go about 1 to 3 days without having to reapply it, and of course that's, you know, not including like my head getting wet. So now if your hair gets wet, then your wig is going to get loose, but if you don't get it wet or sweat or anything, then it'll hold you for a couple of days. Now I will say, because this is still a synthetic wig and it is quite a long wig, I will say probably it's about like maybe 18 to 20 inches on me, if not longer. You're gonna get some tangling eventually, especially as, you know, you continue to wear the wig. The only thing I can say is, you know, just use a good brush and detangle from the ends to the roots to help with that process. So now all I'm doing is going in with my hot comb to flatten out my wig before I glue it. Not glue it, but, you know, freeze it on my head with the Got To Be Freeze Spray. So I don't want to bore you guys with me talking throughout the whole video, so I'm just gonna play some music and then let you guys watch. Alright you guys, so this is the final look of installing this wig. Me personally, I actually like it, but of course I won't really know how I'll feel about it until I wear it for a couple of weeks every now and then. So I'll probably come back with an updated review, but if you like this wig, I'll be sure to link it down in the description below. That way you can check it out and go ahead and purchase from them. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.